Hello everybody, welcome back. We're going to do a little more Escape from Corregidor. I messed up and forgot that my engine was temporarily inoperable. I got carried away playing, and that's what happens when you keep coming back and leaving the game. Is I forgot to notice this right up here. So I went back through my last video, and 8 we went in. So I'm going to roll for a repair on that. That's a 1 dice 6. We get a 4. That's not repaired. Um, As you see, failure engine remains inoperable. Um, Actually, we have a spare part, so that would have been a 3, but it's still unrepairable. We have a spare part, yes, we do. Okay, so that turn we're in. Then the next turn is 9. We need to take out a food and water from our inventory, and it might get scary because we would have had to use ore because we used an engine that time. We also get to try to repair it. 3 again. Then we went, and the next turn down the 10, we just would roll a repair because we used sail 1. So we would have been fixed on 10, so everything else would stand after 10. So that didn't end up messing up too much. Um, except 12, and we rolled all our engine repair rolls after that. So technically, I could have taken the 2 that we rolled for up here and fixed the engine up here when we rolled for the first engine repair where we used it. We shouldn't have, but all's well. I'll make some mistakes. I guarantee you that. I play after work. It's been a hot week and I'm tired. Um, Engine is now back in good condition. I do got to use our spare parts. We no longer have spare parts. And we are back in business. We water and meat. We're looking okay on. We've been doing all right on all that. We're getting ready to go daylight, and I was contemplating whether I should go in or not. And I do believe I'm going to go ahead and go in. That way we can avoid detection. Um, Daylight anyway. We're going to roll weather +1, 9, 10, heavy rain. Not a good day to go in because that's negative effects on all foraging, hunting, and everything else. We do roll 2 dice 6 for water. We get 6 of them. Um, Wind 6. There'll be no wind. Screw it. We're going to go in. We will go do another expedition. And we probably won't hunt. And well, even if we hunt and fail, we don't lose anything because if you hunt and fail, you don't lose any ammunition. So really, we've got not much to lose. I might even try to go in and see a village. We're gonna look and see. Let's get all set up first. We'll quit talking. Get the setup going. My knocks and everything. I always like to put them with the commander. Fishing stays on the boat. We're gonna take a pistol along and 2 ammo. I've learned 2 ammo's not bad to take on an expedition. We're going to take along a rifle because we really should probably hunt. Actually, we do this. We'll put that with them just to be. We're going to take a medicine along, a gift along, and a. I got prayers too, but I'm saving them. And a first aid just in case. I'm careful with all that stuff. And actually, let's do this. Get all our medicine just to be technically correct. Doesn't really matter in the scope of things. We're good on water. So we're all set for the expedition. It's daylight, heavy rain, no wind. I'm not going to keep using my fuel if I don't have to. Um, oh, that's the other thing. That one fuel that we did not use, where we should have been when we took the food and water away. I get one fuel unit back for that. So that's why I moved that to two. Trying to fix my screw up. Um, so we're going straight to C1. We're landed. Did the expedition. Do I want to search for a party? -1 heavy rain. We're on map 2, +1. Yeah, let's go ahead. It's not going to hurt to try. Um, yeah, it can, but I got plenty of ammo right now, so I really am hoping that we get a good roll and get some fuel or something. So 2d6, we're going to add 2 for main on map 2 and subtract 1 for the heavy rain. So we need we're going to add 1. 9. So we're gonna discover a village. Let's see whether they're happy to see us or not. D6, 4. They are friendly, which is good. Um, request native village assistance. Friendly is a +2. We don't have barter. I'm just going to not give our gift. I'm going to be a tightwad right now because we don't have a lot of them. So let's just roll +2. 5, 6, 7. Good thing we did. BC, we did not offer any gifts, so we don't have to worry about getting rid of a gift. And to determine help received, we roll a d6. We roll a 2. Food, water, and meat. All right. We roll 1d6 each for food, water, and meat. There is no water to be grabbed, so we won't even roll for water. We're going to go for not food. Meat and fruit. Fruit first. 6. I hate fruit. You just blow right through it. But 6 sounds like a lot, but that's only 1/2 day's provisions. And we got to carry that. So I'm going to put all that, I'm going to put it all to the side right now because I don't even know if I'm going to take it. I do hate fruit. And if I can get a good meat rolls, I'm going to do that. I'm going to put them right there. And let's see what they offer in this way of meat. 3. So 3 meat. I'll take that. That's not bad. So I'll carry 3 meat and I'll carry 3 fruit for right now. And we didn't have to use any ammo yet. So hunting. We got a -1 for heavy rain. +1 for the rifle and ammo. And we have the hunting. So we get a +1 altogether on the 2d6. I'm going to go and do it. 2d6. 8. +1 is 9. Hunt successful. Get rid of our rifle ammo. Then we roll 1d6 for the result of meat obtained. 1. Well, we get rid of a fruit gladly for that. And we'll put 1 more meat in here. Okay. Not really worth the rifle ammo, but you don't know until you try. Foraging. Not even going to bother foraging. Random event for the party. 14, no random event. Fishing for the boat crew. +1. 4, 5, no catch. Good thing we were on boat. Random for the boat, no. Expedition party return pathfinding check. Day in heavy rain, yes, -1. And we have the pathfinder, so it's going to be straight up roll. 2d6, 4. We are lost. Becomes lost and must spend another turn in the jungle. A. Food and water consumption. We will lose 1. So everybody on my expedition, because I don't have a water on me, will lose one for entire party. -2 health boxes. So everybody here is going to lose 2. That's the one I got to double check. I keep missing that one. So we're going to lose 2 for 1. 2 for 9. two for three, two for four, two for five, and two for six. So we're still in pretty good shape there, and we're going to lose one meat. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and return the deck to two fruits and use that. On the boat, we're going to get rid of a water, and we're going to get rid of, two waters and two meats on the boat, so nobody loses anything on the boat. Then we go back to what's pathfinding. Now go to B1 and roll. Okay, so we're going to be going down to nighttime. Going to roll plus one, 2 for weather, 6, 7, 8, light rain. Going to roll for water, and if we're lost, we can roll for water. Return to land of I got to remember that one. I think that's on here. If they're lost, the expedition party thirst consumption requirement -1, -2 to each party. Expedition party is lost in the jungle and current weather is heavy rain or storm. The party may collect one water unit. So there we go. I gotta put two back on that. So let's just go in and get these. And where did I put them? Health. Put two goods back on each one of these guys. 1, 9. They're not going to stack because I don't like things stacking. Actually, I can get it in there. I did make a deck out of this. There we go. If I can get it in the deck, I'll be good. One more for 9. That's happened because we were heavy and I forgot that little rule that we can collect one water unit. We don't have to carry it, we just collect it. I assume we're relaxed while we're doing this. Back to B. Now we used the fruit anyway. Getting carried away here. Tell you, it's been a long week. 3 gets 2. 4 gets 2. And 5 gets 2. And 6 gets 2. Okay, that was a lifesaver. The fact that we had heavy rain and we got lost. So we're back out. We got light rain. Did I roll for water? No, we did not roll for water. Trying to remember my rolls and everything now. Trying to remember my rolls. That was random a check. 14, that was random. Then we went to pathfinding. 4, we got lost. Then we went to food and water. Then we went to weather, which is light. So I did not roll my water yet. 1 dice 6 for water. 1. And this is for the guys in the boat, so we get 1 water. We're going to check for wind again. 11 doesn't really matter because my party's still stuck on the in the beach somewhere. They can't find their way back to base. So we already have an expedition out there. It's nighttime. We're not going to bother searching for a village. You know what? Screw it. Let's do it. We're here already. We're lost. Maybe we can steal or something. -3 at night. +2 for 1 or 2. So that's -1. So we're going to subtract 1 from 2 die 6. 5. We didn't see a village, so it's a non-factor. Um, Hunting. Again at night. -3. It's not going to hurt, right? -3. Um, plus 1. That's -2 on a 2d6. Not going to hurt. 6. No kills, so we don't lose anything. Foraging. -3. 2d6 -3. 7. 4. Found nothing. Random event check for the expedition party. Nothing. Landed crew fishing. +1. 10, 11. Large jellyfish. Again, we don't have to do anything except collect the meat. Very nice. Except we're sitting around using up our water now, waiting for the party to get back. Random event check. 14. No random event. Sorry, readjusting here. Return trip pathfinding. -1 if night and -3 if night and not fair weather, and it's not fair weather, so -3, and then we're going to add 1, so we get a -2 on a 2d6. 8, 6. We are successfully returned. Thank goodness. So we can return all these guys. Put the binocs back in their place. Put the compass back in its place. Put the meat back where it belongs. And these here return to deck because we were not able to carry them. Pistol, rifle, first aid. Successful in most part. We did lose a rifle ammo, but yeah, I mean, is it worth 1 meat? No, but at least, we tried. And we are stocked up pretty good for the next run. Spent a day more in there than I would have liked. But hey, food and water consumption. Then we depart. Go back today. We're going to have to move, so we're going to take a chance on being spotted because I don't want to sit still for too long. If I send another one out and they get lost, I'll shoot myself. We'll have to try again at 15. We're going to try this. We're going to end at some point getting spotted, but weather +1, 2d6, 2, 3, fair. Fair sucks because we get no water. Wind check, 12. That's good. We do have wind. 3, fishing. 11, 12. Again, small shark, and we will use a. Yes, we'll use a pistol. And I hate doing it because we only got 3 meat out of that, but I don't want to risk wounds at this point. Enemy contact aircraft, 2d6, -2, 5, 3, contact made, roll 1 die 6, 3, boat spotted, aircraft makes 1 attack, B, roll 1 die 6, 1, aircraft strays with guns, C, roll 1 die 6, 2, strafing misses, and off to the wild blue yonder he goes. 2d6 for enemy contact with ships, -2 again. 6, 5, 4, contact made with an enemy ship. A, roll 1 die 6. 4, ship fails to notice boat and departs the area. Thank goodness. Random event, no random event. Food and water consumption, get rid of 3 of each. All right. 9, boat power. We're using sail. We're going to navigate. We have no navigation skill. Um, we're in a green travel box. It's +1, 2, 3, off course. Wouldn't you know it? All right. That'll bring us back to B1. Nighttime. We're going to move again. Try to move anyway. 2d6 -1. 6, 5. Again, fair weather. You know what? No. We're going to go into land and try to get water. If we're not getting rain, we got to try and forage just before we get out there too far. Um, and wind. 7. We do have wind. Well, we have wind and night, so we belay that. Let's just go ahead and go for it. Fishing. 2d6 +1. 10, 11. Large jellyfish. I can't keep using my pistol ammo neither. We'll take crewman possibly injured. Roll 1 die 6. 5. Crewman injured. Roll 1 die 20. 7. Crewman number 7's injured. F and G. If first aid is available and used immediately, we will use it immediately. We have a medic skill and we're going to use it immediately, so we're going to roll a d6. 1. Success. No health boxes lost. We just use a first aid. And we get all the meat. Well, only 3 because we're maxed out, but that's alright. I'll take that compromise for right now. Nobody sees us at night. Random event. No random event. Food and water. Alright, boat power will be sail because we have wind. Navigation. Um, green travel box 1. Night fair 2. 6, 7, 8 on course. We move up to 13. Nice. B1, back again. Daytime. 2d6 -1. 7, 6. Fair weather again. This is going to suck because now we're out of water. No rain to collect. 2d6 for wind. We have wind. We're going to go to fishing. 7, 8. 2 fish. 4, no, yes, enemy aircraft, 2d6, -2, 4, of course he sees us. 3, spots us, makes 1 attack. 1 die 6 is 6, straight attacks with bombs. D, roll 1 die 3, 2, bombs miss. And off he goes into the wild blue yonder. Boats. 2d6 -2. 7, 5. No enemy ships. 6. Random event. 8. No random event. Food and water. Alright, we're going to lose 2 boxes from one group because we are out of water. So it'll be this C group. They're my expendables, and I hate saying that because it sounds harsh, but 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. You see they're all starting to get pretty close there. Well, not pretty close, close to average. We're still doing fine. Boat power will be sail. Navigation check 2d6 plus nothing. 7 on course, move to 14. We didn't use the engine. B1, nighttime. Roll for weather 2d6 -1. 6, 5. Oh goodness, fair again. Wind check 8. We have wind. Fishing 8. 9, 3 fish. We're doing great on meat. We just gotta get some freaking water. That's killing us right now. No contact at night. Random event. 14, no random event. 8, food and water consumption. Everybody loses too. All right. Boat power, sail, navigation, night fare plus 1, 2d6, 10. We move on. 15, B1, daylight, 2d6 minus 1, 6, 5. Fare again. That's alright, because this time we're going in and hopefully we'll find our way back to the ship. 2d6 for wind. We have no wind. Doesn't matter. We're not going to do anything anyway. We're going straight to sea. Put another expedition together. Want to get us out of this funk. Alright, by now you're pretty used to my routine. We will go ahead and take the binocs, the compass. We really don't need to worry about a rifle this time. We're just going to take a pistol and 2 ammo in case we get in trouble with the villagers. Medicine just in case. First aid just in case. Gift just in case. And that's it. Alright. Native village search. We are in daylight. Plus 2. 2d6, 8, 9, 10. We get a we see a village. Roll 1 die 6 to determine if they're friendly. 5, they are friendly. We're not going to give a gift again. We're going to be cheap. 1 die 6 plus 2. 4, 5, 6. Yes, they agree to help us. We're going to roll a C. 1 die 6. 1. Food, water, and meat. I was hoping for a 6 to get some diesel fuel or medicine, but we'll take whatever. I'm gonna roll fruit last because I really don't like fruit. We're gonna roll water first. 1. Does it not figure? Um, that means everybody on the boat's gonna lose 2 more health points. Meat. Gonna roll a 6. Watch. 2. Well, all right. 2 meat. Now we only get 1. All right. Well, the village was quite helpful. Let's roll for fruit. 3. We'll carry that for right now, but we're still going to go foraging and everything. I'm not going to worry so much. I'm not going to hunt. We don't need to hunt. I'm going to go foraging. Daylight. Straight up roll 2d6. 9. Foraging successful. Need a 1 die, or 1 or a 2, or a 5 and a 6. And we get a 4. Of course we do. Fruit. Well, we can't roll anything but a. We can't do any better than a 1, or worse than a 1, so we'll put the fruit up there. Um, Very disappointing. Random event check for the party. No. Fishing for the boat, +1. 9, 10, 4 fish. Of course, we're full. Random event for the boat, 10. No random event. Expedition party, return trip, pathfinding. +1. 5, 6, barely successful. So we get back to the boat. Oh, let's see what we got here. Return to the boat. Binocs back. Compass back. Water. Meat. Lots of fruit. I was thinking fruit might help with the thirst a little bit. Depends on the kind of fruit you're collecting. Even still, it wouldn't be good enough to make you survive like normal water. Um, 14, food and water consumption. One group will not get any subtractions. Everybody else is going to lose 2. So that's going to be my. I hate being harsh, but we're going to go. The first group is not going to lose anything. So 7, 13, 2 and 10, and 11 and 12. And then we have 8 and 14. And we have 16 and 15. And then 17 and 18. Not having water is harsh, and we've got to do something about that. Landed boat departure, so we're going to take off again. We're hoping for a better run. -1, 2d6. And we go to night. 5, 4. Gotta be kidding me. Fair weather. We have wind. We gotta go back on shore. We've got to go back on shore. We've got to find a way to make this happen. I can't keep losing 2 health points every freaking turn because we don't have water. You guys have got to do something. I got to keep deleting that until I redo my save game. I mean, I've already fixed it in Vassal, just haven't loaded the new fix in yet. So we're stuck as long as I keep using the same save game. Just a quick delete. Alright, so we're not really worried about hunting again. We're worried about water. So we're going to take medicine along in case. We're going to take first aid along in case. We're definitely going to take the binocs and compass. We'd always take along a pistol and ammo, as long as we have it. Getting close on that too. And we'll take along a gift just in case. Remember, I got them prayers. I can start using them for certain things too. Maybe we can use that for nav roll or something, or a water roll or something. Alright, nighttime. Look for a village. -3, +2 for being on map 1 or 2. So we're going to add, subtract 1. 10, 9. We see a village. This time, though, we may not ask. We have to steal. So we got to go to C3. And we're going to try this. 1 attempt per village. Night only optional. -1 prayer for each reroll. So we're going to try it. We got a chance here. Straight up die 6 roll. 2 die 6 roll. 8. Death successful. Very nice. Roll 1 die 6. 4. Water. 2. That'll help, but not what I was hoping for. And that doesn't go there, Greg. It goes on the expedition. So 2 water is better than 0 water. Let's go for meat. 4 meat. All right, and let's go for fruit. 1 fruit. Uh, Hunting, not hunting. Foraging, yes. -3. 2d6. 9, 6. Foraging successful. 1. We found some water. Good. Roll 1 die 6 for water. 5. I'm getting rid of a lot of stuff just to get that water in there. I'll definitely get rid of the fruit. Put another water over. At this point, we're getting rid of all the meat too, and we'll get 2 more waters in. All right, nice, good foraging. Um, Random event for the party. 18, no event, barely. 10, fishing. 2d6 plus 1. 7, 8, 2 fish. We got back to it on meat anyway. Landed crew random event. Yes, there is one. 2d6, 6. Crewman becomes infected with dysentery. That's going to be. We will use the medicine right away. It's going to be crewman number 6. And we're going to use a medicine. And that was crewman number 6, but he's on the party, so we got to re-roll. 12. Right there. Crewman 12. That was 4, right? Yes, 4. And down he goes. All right. Return trip pathfinding check. Night. Fair. So we're okay. We don't get that subtraction. Just +1. 8, 9. We find our way back, which is very good because that saves us a whole bunch of issues. Return to the boat. Get the binocs back. Get the compass back. Get all this water back. Saved by the bell. I still would like to see one of those rolls come up for diesel. That has to happen during the day when we're trading. But that was a no-brainer. We had to do that. Now we're going to move whether we like it or not. All right. Food and water consumption. And then we go to boat departure. Back to the B. Go night. Back to day. 2d6 -1. 4. You've got to be kidding me. Wow. Fair again. My dice have just completely gone. Wind. We have wind. We're going to move. We got fishing. 4, 5. No catch. Enemy contact. 2d6 -2. 7, 5. Yep. A. 1 die 6. 4. Aircraft fails to notice. Boats -2. 6, 5, 4. Enemy contact made. 1 die 6. 1. Spots and attempts capture. B. Roll 1 die 6. 4. Boat captured and all crewmen are shipped back to Japan as POWs for the remainder of the war. We are in a green travel bag, so hold on. That's 4 becomes a 3 because we're in a green travel. We do not have the nav, so we're at 3. We're at 3. Boat successfully escapes. C. I see no C, Joe. I wonder if I didn't. Hold on a second. We're going to go investigate this. There is no note C on this, and maybe I forgot to get it in the Vassal. Escape from Corregidor. We're in 2.4, and that was B5. Oh boy, I forgot I'm recording, so that's not gonna wait. Or not gonna work. I gotta open that up in Edge. All right, B4. That'll be five rather. Enemy ships. There is no C. Joe, I just noticed. If you're listening to this, there is no C for that one right there. So if we escape capture, there's got to be something else going on there, and it's not in the charts. Let's go back real quick and see if maybe got left out of this version. B5. No, it's not there either. Hmm. All right. Well, we'll move on from that one. Um, I'll make sure I send Joe a message on that too. Chart B. Yeah, I think he watches my vids, so we'll see this. But chart B5. No note C. All right. I sent that off to him. So let's see what we got going on here then. I'm going to just let that ride then, and we'll come back and fix it later if there's a negative consequence like fuel. I'm thinking it might have something to do with fuel because there is a +1 if the engine is inoperable for any reason. So um, let's play it that way. Let's knock a fuel down. We're going to have to use engine this turn. Let's play it that way. And we'll have to roll for an engine check because there is a +1 if the engine is inoperable, which means that you're trying to use sail power and or oar power to get away from it. So random event check. Hurt us last time, not this time. 8 food and water consumption. Out of water again. Now all of a sudden we're getting low on boat power. Will be engine. Already took that off. Navigation. Um, we're in a green. +1. 10, 11. We move on to hex 16. We are in no condition to make that. We're going to have to go to 17 next. And we roll for the engine. 1. No problems. I'm going to stop right there. We'll go turn. We'll head for box 17 next. We're going to take the long way and go down to Mindanao and try to get on an expedition party for that long haul. The way our rolls are going, we're gonna suffer during that next next excursion. So thank you all for joining me. Hope you all have a great night, and we'll see you next time.